broke investor story. All right, picture this. You've got $100 in your bank account. Not much, right? You could blow it on a night out, buy some overpriced sneakers, or stay with me. You could turn it into thousands over time. Now, before you roll your eyes, let me tell you about my friend Jake. Jake was broke, like ramen noodles for dinner broke. But instead of wasting his last $100, he did something different. He invested it. Fast forward a few years, and that $100 became over $5,000. Crazy, right? But here's the thing. He didn't get lucky. He just followed a simple, beginner-friendly strategy. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do the same thing. How to start investing in the stock market with just $100. So let's get into it. Step 1, mindset shift. Investing is not just for the rich. All right, first things first. You do not need to be rich to start investing. That's a lie they want you to believe. The truth, the rich get richer because they started investing when they were broke. Let me hit you with a fact. If you invest just $100 a month in the stock market and let it grow at an average of 10% per year, which is what the market has done historically, in 30 years, that turns into over $200,000. And if you start earlier, it's even crazier. So yeah, $100 might not sound like much, but it's your ticket in the game. The key is getting started now. Step 2, where to invest your $100. Okay, so where do you actually put this money? Do you just YOLO into the hottest stock on Reddit? We're playing the long game here. Let me give you 3 solid options for your first $100 investment. 1, index funds, the safe bet. Instead of picking one stock, you invest in the entire market. Think of it like owning a little piece of Apple, Google, Tesla, and hundreds of other companies all at once. The best one for beginners? VOO or VTI. They track the S&P 500, which includes the 500 biggest companies in the US. 2, dividend stocks, get paid while you chill. These are stocks that pay you cash just for owning them. Companies like Coca-Cola, McDonald's, and Johnson & Johnson send out dividend checks every few months. Free money? Yes, please. 3, fractional shares. Own expensive stocks for cheap. You don't need $3,000 to buy Amazon stock. With fractional shares, you can own a piece of any stock with just $1. Apps like Robinhood, M1 Finance, or Fidelity let you do this. No excuses. You can start investing in Tesla, Apple, or Amazon with literally a few bucks. Step 3, automate and forget it. Here's the trick most people don't know. The real secret to building wealth isn't just picking stocks, it's consistency. Jake, the guy I told you about earlier, he didn't just invest once. He automated his investing, putting in $25 a week. After a while, he didn't even notice it, but his bank account did. So here's what you do. Step 1, pick one of the investments I mentioned, index funds, dividend stocks, or fractional shares. Step 2, set up automatic investments, even if it's just $5 a week. Step 3, forget about it and let time do the work. Most people waste more than that on coffee. But instead of fueling Starbucks profits, why not invest and let Starbucks pay you? Step 4, common mistakes to avoid. Now, before you run off and start investing, let's talk about what not to do. Mistake number 1, trying to get rich quick. If you're looking for some magic stock that'll turn $100 into $100,000 overnight, stop. That's gambling, not investing. Stick to long-term, proven strategies. Mistake number 2, investing money you need next month. The stock market isn't a quick flip. Only invest money you don't need for at least 5 years. Mistake number 3, panic selling. Stocks go up and down. It's normal. The only people who lose are the ones who panic and sell too soon. Be patient. If you avoid these, you're already ahead of 90% of new investors. Final thoughts. All right, let's recap. You now know how to start investing with just $100, the best places to put your money, how to automate your investing and let it grow, the mistakes to avoid. Now here's your challenge. Drop a comment below and tell me, if you had $100 to invest today, where would you put it? Let's see who's been paying attention. And if you're serious about growing your money, hit that like button, subscribe to Wealth Wings, and turn on notifications because I've got more investing hacks coming your way. Remember, every wealthy investor started with their first $100. The question is, will you?